Good morning mga ka-weekend. Today, ibang adventure ang gagawin natin. This is Ronsky, the weekend warrior. So every weekend may adventure tayo, iba-iba. And ginagamit natin yung mga weapon of choice natin each time. So siyempre, yung time din na bibigyan din natin sila ng oras. Meaning, it's maintenance day for our bikes. So, siyempre, ilinis niyo yung mga mountain bikes nyo, gravel bikes, kung ano man yung wheels na ginagamit ninyo during your adventures. Today, PMS day ni Husky. We're going to Doc M's Works dito sa may Dolores pa ba yun? Yeah, I think so. Dolores pa yung part na yun eh. Malapit sa Jose Bilingad Hospital. He was recommended to me by a friend, si Bro Kevin, and sanay daw siya with different kinds of motorcycles, low and high displacement. So kahapon sa mga posts niya sa Facebook, he was working on an NK 400 CF moto. Yeah, let's try him out. Tingnan natin kung kumusta yung service nila doon sa Doc M's Motoworks. So chill lang tayo today, pa-maintain lang natin si Husky, and see you guys later. Ay nako, kung may kamote sa motor, may kamote rin naman sa, marami din naman kamote sa kotse. Grabe, init. So this is Jose Bilingad General Hospital, JBL for short. It's the Provincial Hospital of Pampanga, located here in Dolores, San Fernando. Okay, and I think this is it. This is our kanto. We're gonna turn left here. Okay, look for Doc M Works. Okay, sa bahay lang siya, may pwesto sa bahay. Doc M, where are you? Ito yata yung lugar na tinatawag nilang crossing. Bomba daw. Looban na tayo, wala pa. Tanong kaya tayo. Boss, hindi mautang? Nakakita shop ng Doc M? Wow. Allowed siya pa? Kini mo dana ni eh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, mga big bikes daw. So this is the shop. Nahulog yung ano eh, yung tarp eh. But this is Doc M Works.
So yan, si Doc M is getting ready na for the PMS. There are quite a lot of items on the checklist para sa PMS na to. We'll do change oil, oil filter change, chain cleaning, fluids check, brakes check, and tension, chain tension adjust, and clutch cable tension adjust, and finally road test. So while Doc is waiting for the engine to cool down, unahin niya na munang linisin yung chain. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin kasi since last na nalinis yung chain. So nakapag-accumulate na siya ng enough gunk. Ang gamit niya palang panglinis and also chain lube are products from Kobe. Sabi rin niya, hindi maganda na gumagamit ng gas panlinis ng chain kasi lalong nasisira yung mga seals o yung mga parang bearing doon sa loob ng chain mismo. Kaya mas maaga siyang masisira. So ang ginagawa ni Doc is ni-remove niya yung cover where yung mas maliit na sprocket doon sa chain. Nadaan yung chain para doon niya linisin. This is good kasi pag gumagamit siya ng chemicals, iwas contamination dun sa disc brake natin. So, okay to. So, continue lang yung linis niya, both sides of the chain. He also washes the chemicals off the chain and the bike. Dati kulay black yan. Ngayon, talagang makikita na yung pagka-silver nung chain. I've also asked Doc M to check the clutch cable tension kasi parang feel ko and also feel ng mga tropa na parang mas siya mahigpit or parang matigas, kaya pa-adjust natin siya. And just like that, malinis na yung chain. Very nice. See, halos kumikinang na sa linis. Gandang tingnan, parang bago. Then after ng linis, of course, lalagyan na ng chain lube, also from Kobe. Maganda daw tong chain na to. As you can see, may puti-puti pang kumakapit dito sa chain. Makikita natin na talagang kumakapit yung lube dun sa chain mismo. Sabi nga ni Doc, even if i-wash ito after, which I intend to, bike wash natin yung Svart, hindi na kailangan i-lube ulit. Andyan pa rin yan. Okay, tamang amount lang of chain lube on the chain. Hindi masyadong marami, hindi masyadong konti. And directed yung chain lube doon sa mismong links ng chain. Kasi yung nangangailangan talaga ng lube. Now it's time to adjust the chain slack. Kasi napansin natin while we're using the Svart, parang maluwag na yung chain niya. Kailangan niyang konting-konti lang na-adjust. So when adjusting the chain slack, may guide naman ito doon sa nuts niya kung saan mo i-adjust yung settings. So per motorcycle, it's different na yung guide nila doon. May parang mga markings lang. The mechanic has to ensure na equal ito on both sides. Alright, so now tama na yung chain slack niya. Now it's time for oil change. First ginawa ni Doc is i-drain niya yung oil using the plug where the oil strainer is. At yung lumabas parang pang marinade na nga daw na ng meat. Parang toyo mansina sa kulay. With the strainer naman, hindi naman ito kailangan i-replace. You just need to simply clean it. Ito, nililinis lang ni Doc using a rag. Tsaka pag malinis na, ilalagay na lang ulit. On the other side naman is the cap where you can find the oil filter. Yung cap nga, tinignan na namin sa ilalim. It says KTM. So this is the oil filter. So yan, i-drain lang din yung laman niya. Yung maduming oil na yan, iniipon ni Doc para kagaya ng ibang shop, nabebenta pa rin naman itong maduming oil na to Once done, he puts it back together, yung mga caps, plugs, strainers, oil filters. Put it back in place at saka isasarado ulit yung engine. For the oil na gagamitin natin sa Svart natin, we have the Workz 15W50 40 formula. I know this to have 3 variants na meron yung Workz. Merong yung 4-stroke, and then you have the 40 formula, and then you have the top speed. Yung 4-stroke is the economy line, and then itong formula is somewhat in the middle, and yung top speed naman nila yung recommended for racing. So a little bit of tip, ang Svart natin kasi is nangangailangan ng 1.3 liter being a 200cc engine, and what we have are 2 liters of engine oil. So ilalagay natin yung first liter, and then to get the 0.3, isasalin lang yung 0.3 doon sa empty na lalagyan na ng oil para sure tayo na tama yung sukat. Clever, no? Time for a oil circulation. Start ng engine. And check na rin natin yung service meter for a reset. Then check natin yung oil level dun sa peak hole ng engine. Finally, time for a road test. Yan, para ma-ensure talaga ni Doc M na all of the systems of the motorcycle are working perfectly fine. Test drive na. Let's adjust na lang. Napansin niya na kailangan pa rin i-adjust yung clutch cable tension. So, konting adjust lang sa clutch. Napansin ko kasi medyo matigas din nung ginagamit ko siya. And that's it. Okay na siya. Ayos na, Doc? Yes, boss. The black arrow is now ready for action. So big thanks Doc Melvin and sa Doc M Works. Thank you very much for taking care of the Husky Svart 200. He also has some spare parts dito, yung oils na gagamitin, meron din dito. Nga lang yung nilagay natin kay Husky very specific kasi from KTM. Oh, tapos na. Tapos na yung PMS ni Husky. Ayan. Sunod naman yung kay bro. Bro, anong name mo kasi? EJ. Oh. Kita tayo sa Facebook saka sa daan. Doc, thank you very much Thank you, boss. Anong sabihin natin sa mga friends natin?
Pasyal kayo dito, basta may problema kayo sa motor, wag lang sa pera.
So, Doc M Works. Saan to makikita, Doc?
Juliana, Workz, San Fernando, Pampanga. Near, Landmark JBL Crossing.
Okay. Tapos, anong mga bikes, Doc, yung usually ginagawa natin?
Yan, halos mga big bikes, mga NK400, ganyan, mga KTM, mga Kawasaki big bikes. Gumawa na rin ako ng BMW dito eh.
Oo. Tapos yan, change oil, FI cleaning.
Spark plugs, yan, mga technical din.
Okay, so,
Sa kaya natin, sasabihin ko naman.
alright. Doc, thank you very, very much.
Okay, thank you boss.
Thank you. Sa ulitin. So mga ka-weekend, I'm recommending Doc M dito sa Juliana Crossing near JBL. Punta kayo dito for your motorcycle service needs. Yan. Napakahusay ni Doc M at alagang-alaga yung motor ninyo dito. Sure yan. So this episode is really for newbies like me para hindi maging intimidated and worried about their maintenance activities on their motorcycles. Maging motorcycle man yan or mountain bikes or two wheels, they all need maintenance at some point. So, kailangan lang natin, kilalanin natin yung mga mechanics na magiging kaibigan natin who will help us maintain our motorcycles or bike.
So, thank you once again for joining me on another weekend of adventure. This time, PMS ng ating Husky Svartpilen. Until the next adventure, this is Ronsky, the Weekend Warrior. See ya!